In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a task as completed in ClickUp. This is a really simple action, but it's something you'll do all the time. So it's worth getting comfortable with the exact steps. I'll walk you through it slowly, explain what you're seeing on screen, and share a couple of small tips along the way to keep your workspace organized. First, make sure you're in the correct space and folder where your tasks are stored. Once you're there, you want to switch to the list view. List view is the classic spreadsheet-style layout in ClickUp, where your tasks are arranged in rows, and you can see columns like task name, assignee, due date, and status. If you're currently in a different view, such as board or calendar, look along the top of your screen for the list option and click it. When you see your tasks in a vertical list, you're in the right place to continue. Next, find the specific task you want to mark as completed. Take a second to double check the task name and make sure it's the correct one, especially if you have several tasks with similar titles. To the left or right of the task name, depending on your workspace layout, you'll see a small status icon or label. This might say something like to do, in progress, or another custom status that your team uses. This status icon is what you'll use to change the task to completed. Go ahead and click on that status icon next to your chosen task. When you click it, a small drop-down or status menu will appear. This menu shows you all the available statuses in your workflow for that list. Among those options, look for the one labeled complete or completed, depending on how your workspace is configured. Now, simply click on complete. As soon as you do this, the task's status will update. You might notice the color of the status changing, a check mark appearing, or the task moving into a done or completed group in your list. That visual feedback is ClickUp's way of confirming that the task is now marked as finished. That's all there is to it. By consistently updating your task statuses this way, you keep your ClickUp workspace clean, accurate, and easy for you and your team to